Hi, it's Ash here from UNSW Multimedia and AV Services, here to demonstrate how to use the Wacom Annotation Monitor and OBSBOT tracking camera in some CAT spaces. To get things started, sign into the internal PC using your ZID and password. Here you'll be directed to the desktop. Once the Welcome to Wacom Center opens, you can close that by hitting the X on the top right corner. To power up the Lectern, press the Power On button on the AMX control panel. Once the system powers on, the Wacom monitor will now be displayed. Once you sign in, your display options will be duplicate. If you would like to extend these displays, press Windows P on the keyboard. Here you'll be given display options. Select Extends. Your HP monitor is now an extended discrete monitor that you can use for notes. If the shortcut to Teams is not on the desktop, simply search for Teams in the search bar. To access your presentation slides, open OneDrive and locate your file. To display internal computer onto the projectors, select Internal Computer and display on both projectors. The screens are now coming down and the projectors are switching on. Momentarily, your internal PC image will be displayed on both projectors. Please note, whatever source is displayed on projector 1 will reflect what is displayed on the Wacom monitor, as well as Echo 360. If you would like to annotate using the Wacom monitor, you must calibrate the pen every time. Search Wacom in the search bar and select Wacom Tablet Properties. Using your mouse, select the Calibrate tab. Select the desired monitor. You know it is the correct monitor when the crosshairs appear. Using the pen, tap the crosshairs on the Wacom monitor. Hit OK. The Wacom monitor is now calibrated with the pen. To start your Teams meeting, join as usual by selecting the Join button. Here you'll be directed to choose your video and audio options. You can preview your camera by switching it on here. You can also choose which camera you would like to display. The ceiling mounted camera is the USB Capture SDI Plus. If you would like to use the OBSBOT camera, simply select the options and select OBSBOT Tiny 4K camera. Here you can also select the correct audio device settings, for example, Dante USB. Once you have chosen your correct video and audio options, simply press Join Now. You have now connected to your meetings. Once you're ready to talk, make sure your microphone is unmuted and your camera is on. Next, we would like to share our screen. Simply select the Share button and select Screen. Once you see the red box around, you are now sharing your screen. Navigate back to your open OneDrive file and display your desired PowerPoint presentation. To ensure optimal audio quality for your online participants, make sure that you wear the lapel microphone provided. Remove the lapel microphone from the charging cradle and switch it on. You will see a green light appear. Strap the belt pack to whoever comfortable and clip the lapel microphone roughly here. Once you are done, put the lapel microphone back into the charging cradle. If you decide to use the OBSBOT camera, it has gesture controls. To start tracking, raise your hand and show all 5 fingers. Once you see the green LED display, you know that it will begin to start tracking. If you would like to disable tracking, simply use the same gesture. In this scenario, I'm going to demonstrate how to annotate with the Wacom monitor using PowerPoint. The Wacom monitor has a swivel arm, so you're able to swivel it down into your comfortable position. Using the pen provided, at the top tabs, select Draw and select the desired pen and ink. Once presenting full screen, you can now annotate over the top slides. Please note the discrete monitor has the gallery view and chat active. This is not displayed on the projectors. Thanks for watching, and please don't hesitate to call 54888 if you experience any technical difficulties.